Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to fix the can't take screenshot due to security policy, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So if you're getting this kind of a message on your screen when you're trying to take screenshot on WhatsApp and you want to fix it. In today's video, we are going to show you some workaround because WhatsApp has that feature to protect the privacy of viewed media and profile of photos, and you cannot disable it in the app settings. So what you can do is you can start trying using a screen recording instead. So if you do not have any screen recorder at the moment, you may head over to Play Store application, and from there you can go over to the search in the bottom and go to the top and you can search for screen recorder. So you can try going ahead and choosing a reliable screen recorder. For example, this one right here, or any one with a good review. You can download those which will be able to record even with security policy. So you can go ahead and download those. You can look out for the install option right in the application, and once you complete the installation, you can go ahead and set the application up on your device. And once you download the screen recorder, you can just head over to WhatsApp and go over to the chat, specific chat where the message might be located that you want to screenshot. And once you find it up, you can just go over and record the screen and stop the recording and then take a screenshot from the video to get a still image. This is one of the method possible if you cannot take screenshot due to security policy on WhatsApp. You can just go over and do so. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go over and check your phone settings to see if there is any kind of third-party application or battery control settings that might have disabled screenshots. So go to your settings for that and open it up, and from there you can go to the search at the top, and from there you can go over and search for device admin apps. And once you find device admin applications here in your settings, you can just go over, find it up, tap on it, and from there disable or deactivate any applications that you do not trust that might be causing the issue to not take screenshot due to the security policy on WhatsApp. So this is the way possible. So you can try out these method if you cannot take screenshots due to security policy in WhatsApp. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.